In this activity, we will be testing objects to check on their magnetism. So we're first going to list the physical properties of each object. Physical properties is the state of matter it's in, using your senses, how it smells or tastes or feels, how much mass it contains, its volume, whether you think it's magnetic or not, the temperature, the size, and whether it's buoyant or not. That is, whether it floats or sinks. So the first object that we have is the paperclip. And if we describe this paperclip, we might describe it as silver. We might describe it as shiny. And you might find other characteristics to describe it. Pause this video and complete all the physical properties column for all the objects. We have a piece of brass, some aluminum foil, a pink eraser, a pencil, a penny that's made of copper, and a nail that's made of steel. So pause the video and fill in the first column. Now that you've done that, you're going to predict whether it is magnetic or not. I will write yes or no for my prediction. And for my paperclip, I might think yes, it is magnetic. Pause the video and complete this column, whether you think it is magnetic or not. Now we're going to have actual results. And for this, I'm going to take my magnet and determine if it is magnetic or not. The paperclip is. The brass is not. The aluminum foil is not. The eraser is not. The pencil, no. The penny, no. And the nail, yes. Now your page should be complete with this experiment done. Think to yourself, was your prediction right or were you wrong? Are all metals magnetic? Think about this question. Now what you need to do is submit your assignment and you would be finished with this activity.